that has been taken from chapter 4, Determinants and NCERT 12 Mathematics. Question number 9, exercise 4.2 equal to prove that date elements of first row I have written x square y z. The elements of second row I have written y square zx. The elements of third row I have written z square xy I have written equal to in one bracket x minus y dot y minus z dot z minus x dot xy plus yz plus xz. This is the question about which I am going to discuss here. Let us see. Here I shall write solution. Here I write solution. Imply that here write LHS equal to date x square yz. The elements of second row y square zx. The elements of third row I shall write z square xy. This is the question about which I am going to discuss here. Let us see. Here you can see in first row x square yz is there. In second row elements are y square zx. In third row elements are z square xy. So here in RHS you can see x minus y minus z minus x there. First of all, we have to derive, you have to adjust this date, so I have to get x minus y, either y minus z or z minus x as a common. So here you can see only if I do the operation here x minus y, r1 minus r2 we can easily get. But problem is there for in order to get this statement here. So here I shall use catalyst operation. Here I shall use catalyst operation. You must know what is catalyst operation. Catalyst operation you might have learned in the chemistry. What is catalyst? Catalyst is a one kind of substance which speed up the chemical reaction without undergoing changes of itself. Catalyst is a kind of substance which speed up the process of chemical reaction without undergoing changes of itself. So in this case here in that I shall use catalyst operation. Catalyst operation in the mathematics you must know if the first row is applied, if first row is multiplied by x. If first row is multiplied by x, first row will multiply by x, then date is divided by x. If first row is multiplied by x, then date is divided by x. if second row is multiplied by y, then that is divided by y. If this second row is multiplied by y, so here you will get y square, and here you will get y के power cube, and here you will get x, y, z. So if second row is multiplied by y, then that is divided by y. And here I shall write third row is multiplied by z, then that is divided by z. If third row is multiplied by z, that is divided by z. This is the fundamental basics of Euler-Cayley operation here. So here third row is multiplied by z. Why z? Because here z is there. Here z. If you multiply the third row here by z, so here you will get z square, here you will get z cube, here you will get easily x, y, z. This thing you have to do here. First row is multiplied by x, so here you will get x square, x cube, x, y, z. Then that is divided by x. So I2, there will be no effect in the determinant. So here I shall write LHS is equal to 1 over x, y, z dot date. Here I shall write date. Here first row is going to be multiplied by x. Each element of the first row is going to be multiplied by x. That's why that will be divided by x here. So here you will get x square, here you will get x cube, here you will get x, y, z. And here the second row is multiplied by y, then that will be divided by y. So here you will get y square, y cube, x, y, z. And also the third row, each element of third row is going to be multiplied by z, then that will be divided by z here. You can see here. So here I shall write z square, z cube, x, y, z. That you will get this one. What to do here? Here you can see now here in the third column you can see each element is x, y, z, x, y, z, x, y, z. So here I shall take x, y, z common from the third column. Here I shall take x, y, z as a common from the third column. So what to do here? Here by taking out in bracket x, y, z as common from C3. By taking out x, y, z as common from C3, so here I shall get LHS equal to x, y, z, x, y, z, x, y, z. Here I am going to take x, y, z, x, y, z, x, y, z. So here I am going to take out x, y, z as common from C3. So here we will get x, y, z over x, y, z dot that will be x square x cube 1. Here you will get y square y cube 1. Here you will get z square z cube 1. This thing you will get. Now, further process will be LHS equal to xyz will be divided by xyz, comes out to here 1. This thing is over. And here I shall use the property. So here I shall use the property. Here you can see in RHS x minus y is there and y minus x, z minus x. So here if I subtract R2 from R1, so I can easily get x minus y. And also if I subtract here R2 minus R3, so I shall get this one. So use the property here. Here I am going to use the property here. By using the property, R1 goes to R1 minus R2. R1 goes to R1 minus R2. This property I shall use here. And here is property R1 goes to R1 minus R3, and here I write the property R2 goes to R2 minus R3. This property I shall use. R1 goes to R1 minus R3 and R2 goes to R2 minus R3. So here you can see R1 is there, here R1 must come. Here 1 is there, here 3 is there. The different row must be there. Here minus is there. So in here R1 first row is there, here third row is there. The different rows must be there. Here जो है R1 is there, here R1 must come here. So R1 goes to R1 minus R3 and R2 goes to R2 minus R3. This property I shall use here. Let us see what result will be. LHS equal to xyz divided by xyz comes out to 1 here, and here I shall write R1 goes to R1 minus R3. So here you can see very well R1. The R1 goes to, this means that only changes will occur in the first row. And here I have written R2 goes to R2 minus R3. Here changes will occur only in the second row. There will be no changes in the third row. The third row I shall write as it is z square z cube 1. I shall write like this. And here just do the things here. Rough work. Here I have written R1 goes to R1 minus R3. R1 goes to, this means that only changes will occur in the first row. There will be no changes in the second row and third row as per this property. So here I shall write R1 goes to, if I take R1, if I take the element of R1 as x square, so here write x square, minus is there, right here minus, and the corresponding element of x square in the third row is z square. So here write z square. Here write z square. So here you will get first element x square minus z square, you will get x square minus z square z. For this element again R1 goes to, if I take the element of R1 as x cube, so right here x cube minus is there, right here minus, here R3 is there, the corresponding element of x cube in the third row is z cube. So here I z cube. So this element here it will become x cube minus z cube. It will become x cube minus z cube. R1 minus R3 x cube minus z cube it will become. Here you will get really R1 goes to R1. If I take this element 1 minus here, right here minus, the corresponding element of 1 in the third row is 1 here, right here 1, comes out to here 0. So here it will become 0. Here it will become 0. Here it will become 0. And again property is there, R2 goes to R2 minus R3. This means that only changes will occur in the second row. There will be no changes in first row and third row as per this property. So here R2 goes to R2. If I take the element of R2 as y square, so here write y square minus y square I have written, and R3 here, R3 there, the corresponding element of y square in the third row is z square. So here I z square. So here it will become y square minus z square. It will become y square minus z square. It will become. Here you will get R2 goes to R1. R2 goes to R2 minus R3. If I take element of R2 here y cube, so here write y cube minus z cube. It will become here. Over here it will become y cube minus z cube. Here R2 goes to, if I take element R2 as 1, right here 1 minus is fixed here, the corresponding element of 1 in the third row will be 1. So here comes out to here 0. So here I 0. This thing you will get x square minus z square, x cube minus z cube 1, 0. And here you will get R2 y square minus z square, y cube minus z cube 0. Here third row will be the same as it is. This thing you will get here. Now what you have to do here, you are going to expand this one. So here I shall draw the line here, vertical line. Now here I shall write LHS. LHS equal to that. Here you can see x square minus z square is there. So here write, first of all write this one, x square minus z square, x cube minus z cube, here write 0. The elements of second row, y square minus z square, y cube minus z cube, 0. The elements of third row, z square, z cube, 1. This thing we have to get. So here I shall write LHS is equal to, date I shall write here, just x minus z, x minus z. So here you will get, in first row, you know the formula, a square minus b square equal to a plus b, a minus b. A square minus b square equal to, in one bracket a plus b, in another was a minus b. On same pattern, if you factorize x square minus z square, you will get here easily x plus z dot x minus z. You will get this one. X square minus z square equal to x plus z, x minus z. Second element of first row will be, here know the formula, a cube minus b cube equal to a minus b in one bracket, another was a square plus b square plus ab. So on same pattern here you will write here x minus z, in another bracket you will write here, in another bracket you will write here x square plus z square plus fz. This thing is, if you factorize x cube minus z cube, you will get here x minus z, in one bracket another bracket x square plus z square plus fz you will get. Here 0 is there, right here 0. Similarly, if you factorize y square minus z square, here you will get y plus z easily. Here you will get y minus z. Here you will get y minus z easily. Y plus z, y minus z. Here you will get y minus z, in one bracket under bracket y square plus z square plus yz. 0 I shall write. Y square minus z square, you will get y plus z, y minus z. Here y cube minus z cube will get here y minus z, y square, z square plus yz. 0 will get. Here write z square, z cube, 1. This thing will get. Now, what to do here? In this determinant, you can see here third column. In the third column, two elements are 0. Here 0, 0 is there. So what to do here? I am going to expand this determinant along third row. So here I shall write by expanding determinant along R3, third row. By expanding determinant along R3. R3 के along determinant expanding, that will be. So here you will get that equal to, here you can see here plus sign is there, plus minus plus, minus plus minus plus minus plus. So here I shall write plus 1, that is fixed here. Here write plus z, z square. Here write plus z square. And and elements of principal diagonal will multiply together. The elements of principal diagonal will be multiplied together. First of all, why can't you take common before applying and expanding determinant along R3? First of all, do one thing here. Here you can see in the first row of the determinant, first element of first row x minus z is there. Second element of first row x minus z here 0. Why can't you take common x minus z from first row? And also in second row y minus z is there. So here I shall write by taking x minus z and y minus z as common. From R1 and R2 by taking x minus z and y minus z as common from R1 first row and second row. So we will get here that equal to x minus z common to here only get x plus z. Here you will get x square plus z square plus fz you will get. Here get 0. And here you will get y minus z has been got as a common to here you get only y plus z. Here get y square plus z square plus yz. Here write 0. Here element will be z square, z cube, 1 you will get. This thing you will get. Or dot here you can write multiply that x minus z and y minus z. Things will be this one. So here you have got x minus z, z minus x, that will be thing thought later on. Here you have got y minus z. So this thing you have to do here. So do the operation here. Now you can easily expand this date along third row. So here I shall write. Here I write expanding date along R3. R3 के along, so here we will get plus, so here it will become z square is there. So z square plus 1, z square, to here write z square. Here write z square. Here write z square. Right here the minor of z square. The minor of z square. Here plus minus 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 plus. So here plus. So what will get here? The minor of z square. Since here z square is there in the first column and third row. The first column and third row will be hidden. So you get the minor as it is, x square z square plus is there xz, 0 will get, and again you will get minor this one. Find out the minor here. Z square is there in first column and third row. The first column and third row will be hidden. You will get the minor of z square here as x square plus z square plus xz, 0 will get. Here you will get y square plus z square plus yz. Here get 0. This thing will get minor. And here write plus minus z square right here, z cube right here. This is z cube minus z cube. So here it will become the minor of z cube. Z cube is there in second column, third row. The second column is this one will be hidden and third row will be hidden. You will get the minor easily. This one. The minor will be, this one will be hidden, this one will be hidden. So here you will get the minor x plus z, 0, y plus z, 0 will get minor. Minus z cube. The z cube is there in third row and second column. So this one will be left out. X plus z, 0, y plus z, 0 will get. And here write plus 1, this element,